Hello, my name is Natacha and I was a finalist in Paasisavut 2024. Along with 4 other scientists, I pitched my research live from the stage of Gatwick in Nuuk. My story was about Greenland halibut and it was a huge experience to participate. The stage coaching helped fine-tune my sciencey storytelling skills, and it gave me a space to talk about why fish science rocks and why it matters, and to share it with those to whom it matters. Your research matters to someone too. Maybe somebody would recognize themselves in your work and feel seen. Or maybe you just have a captivating story that could perhaps inspire somebody else to pursue a career path in science. If you're passionate about your PhD topic and you want to help bring science closer to society, then apply to Paasisavut for the opportunity to share all your nerdy knowledge with an engaged audience. Good luck!